Let's learn about sets. So set is a collection of well-defined objects. So suppose if I write A as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, I can say that set A is a set of natural numbers less than or equal to 5. So I should be able to explain what it is. There is a concept called cardinality. Cardinality of set means it is a number of elements of the set and it is denoted by hash. So hash A, which is called cardinality of A, is equal to 5. It is the number of elements, so it is 5. Okay. Now, a set always should be put in curly brackets like this with the elements written separated by commas. Now, if you want to represent a set, you can either write it in this format or you can use a Venn diagram. So this is a diagrammatic representation. So what you do is you put a square like this. Okay, this is called the universal set, which is denoted like all the elements. And now if you are denoting a set, same the set A, which is like 1, 2, 3, 4 maybe. You can write this as a circle here and I write A here so that it's the name of the set. And then you write the elements like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is a Venn diagram. So always remember you need to have the universal set and you need to draw a circle which will denote a set A and then you have the universal set like this. Now there is a concept of complement of a set. So complement of a set means a complement means anything other than A. Other than A. So if you remember these keywords, okay, then you will be able to write down the complement and all very easily. So suppose if you have the universal set like this and this is the set A, the set A is always denoted by whatever is inside. So whenever we learn sets, you think of that in circles. So this is set A. Okay, this is set A. Let me just write it down so that we don't get confused. And I will show you A complement parallelly. So this is set A. Now let me draw the second one. This is the universal set and I'm going to represent A complement here. So this is set A. Now A complement means anything other than A. So which means that whatever is there in A you will not mark it, but anything other than outside of A. Okay, so these things. So this is A complement. Anything outside of A. Okay, so please remember this. Now we are going into union of two sets. So union always will be of two sets or more. Okay. So union of two sets means all elements. Just remember all elements. Whenever you think of union, you remember all elements. Let me tell you what it is. So if you have, okay, first let me show it in the set notation. So if you have the set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and you have the set B which is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. A union B means all elements of both the sets, which is you write all the elements of A, then all the elements of B. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 3, 4 from the B set B, 3, 4 we have already written. So you will write 5 and 6. Okay, so this is A union B. Now moving on to the Venn diagram, let us first represent A and B here. So if you see this, 3 and 4 are common in both the sets. Okay, so when I am drawing it, I will just draw this one. This is B, so this is A, this is B, and 3 or 4 are common, so I will write 3 and 4 here. And then what else is remaining in A? That is 1 and 2. I will write it here. What is remaining in B? It is 5 and 6. That I will write it here. Okay, so this is how we represent two sets in a Venn diagram. So you find what is common, you put that in the middle portion and then you do it. Now in this, A union B means it is the all elements. So it is like all of these. Okay, this is A union B. And whatever comes in there is the A union B. So I can write this as A union B. So this is the pictorial representation of A union B. Now the next one is intersection. So intersection means common elements. So this is the keyword which you need to remember. Intersection means common elements. Again, I'm going to the, okay, let me just take the set notation first. So A is equal to, again I'm taking the same set, 1, 2, 3, 4. B is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. What are the common elements here? 3 and 4 are the common elements. So I can write that A intersection B is equal to set 3, 4. Okay. And in the Venn diagram, when I am drawing it in a Venn diagram, what I will do, I will just draw the universal set here. I have the set A and B here, and 3 and 4 will come common, and 1 and 2 will come, 5 and 6 will come here. And what is common to both of these? It is 3 and 4. So this portion. Okay, so this is nothing but A intersection B. Okay, so union and intersection.